Hello everyone, this is Wayne and I'm going to be showing you pictures of the great 2011 snowstorm. It is out here, we're in Clarksville, Georgia right now, and I'm going to be showing you pictures of what it looks like in a snowstorm. First off, I don't have a pair of boots since I live in Atlanta, or I thought I didn't, and then I remembered my deerskin cowboy boots. So I'm going to show them to you right down here. Here they are. And we're going to pan. This is right now our deck, and this is our swing set. This is our barbecue grill, and the snow that we have is a full 6 inches. That's a half of a foot. So I'm going to go now down the steps here. Here are the steps. And I'm going to be very careful going down because it is pretty snowy out here. So I'm walking down the steps, and as you can see, it's clear because no one has been on these steps. This is one of the heaviest snowstorms at the Atlanta area. Well, we're really outside of the Atlanta area, but the Georgia area has gotten in a long, long time. Usually we just get 1 inch or a half of an inch, and it usually disappears in a day. But this one's going to be lasting for, it looks like, a couple of days. But I'm going to be showing you the trees and our yard, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful landscape. So we're walking here and being very careful, and this is the car right here, and as you can see, it's full of snow. And then down the driveway, you can't even see, that's a driveway, but you can't see it because we have not driven down there. So this is really lots and lots and lots of snow. And now I'm going to go show you the back part of it. And this is the back of our home right here. And this is our backyard. And all we see is white. Yes, this is a great 2011 Atlanta snowstorm. And I'm going to zoom in on this tree here. And this is Wayne from Clarksville, Georgia, January 10th, 2011. Bye.